See, I live it when you take it to the hard. Every day what you gonna be the whole time.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay Pryor. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how I've been doubling my hair growth. And wait, I know y'all probably like, your locks don't look that long right now, but you see how it's like sitting on the shoulder, right? And plus my locks are double strand twisted, and then I like tuck the ends up and like, you know, so it looks a little bit shorter than it really is. But once I take these double strand twists out, y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, her hair is so long. I'm like, I told y'all. But before we jump into that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. I'm gonna wash it, and I'm gonna show y'all all the products I've been using, my oils, my shampoo, my conditioner. I'm gonna show y'all everything. So let's jump right into it. All right guys, so I'm currently in my room right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take these rubber bands out and let my hair down, and then I'm gonna take these double strand twists out. But before I do any of that, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my length first. The comparison to now and after, big difference, like major difference. So let me go ahead and show y'all. So y'all see my hair now, like, yeah, it's touching like here, but once I take it out, it's really gonna be, I'll just show y'all. All right, so this is the first one I took out. Y'all see how I had to bend all that hair up in order to have like a neat looking end? Y'all see how much hair that is? That is so much hair, oh my gosh. Let me go ahead and take out the double strand twist. Y'all see that? Y'all seen that, right? Okay, let me do the rest so y'all can see the rest of the length. Start the washing process. Before I get into it, I will let y'all know I am trying something completely new. I never washed my hair with it before, and it is the African black soap. So I will be trying this out just to see how well my hair responds to it. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully, you know, it promotes healthy hair and not hair loss. It does says it helps with hair loss, so we're going to see how this works, and I just hope for the best because it's been a year and 6 months and I don't want to have 2 strands in the middle of my head. That's not what I'm going for. I'm going for thick, healthy hair. So let's get started. And for those that are wondering, this is an up close view of what the soap looks like. Alright guys, so now that I'm out the shower, I am going to take this towel off and compare the difference between regular shampoo and the black soap. I'm gonna see if my hair texture feels a little different. I'm also going to be adding in some leave-in conditioner, and then I'm also going to add in a little bit of my everyday oil because my hair is still wet, so I'm not going to do too much. I do want to mention what makes my hair grows like rapid, fast, and thick is my hot oil treatment. So I will usually wash my hair once, do the hot oil treatment, and then wash my hair 2 times after. But since I am letting my hair breathe for this month, I am not doing a hot oil treatment. If anybody is interested in seeing me doing my hot oil treatment or what oils that I use for the blend, I will post a link to the video as well. This is what the bottle looks like and how the oil blend looks. Alright, so this is how my hair is looking, y'all. My hair is growing a little Rapunzel. Oh my, that's me. But I am gonna give y'all a review. So far it doesn't feel like any oils are stripped out of my hair. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel brittle. I am like, okay, this I can get used to. Normally when I wash my hair with shampoo, it does feel like it has stripped like a lot of oils out of my hair. And the shampoo that I usually use is the one that goes with this conditioner. The way the conditioner looks, this conditioner here is a leave-in conditioner, and I am gonna add it into my hair. But overall, I am liking the way it feels. Like, it feels good and it feels clean. And y'all, like, since I've been letting my hair breathe, I have noticed an increase in growth as well. Don't get me wrong, but retwisting my hair every month like I used to, it wasn't bad, but not giving my hair a break, like, I started to see my edges like get a little scarce. So I was like, I'm gonna switch this up. I'm gonna start letting my hair breathe, because I will be darned if I have no edges and a head full of locks. Like, I said that's not gonna be me. No, not at all. So I figured that if I give my hair a break every other month, then I will start seeing like my growth come back. And honestly, y'all, like, my edges have made a comeback, and thanks to this hot oil treatment that I've been doing, this has been doubling my hair growth like crazy. And just for anyone that is interested to know what product I use when I do my retwist, this is how the product looks. So I've been using this product for, honestly, y'all, I don't even know how long. It's probably been over a year, but I love this product. Like, when I first started, I was having so much trouble trying to look for something to retwist my locks with because of the residue buildup, and I was like, what is a good product, a quality product, and something that will hold? It's this one right here. It has definitely held my locks in place, and I will highly recommend this product. All right, so when it comes to my everyday oil, I do use this product here. So it's a blend between castor oil and lavender oil. I do buy the castor lavender oil, and then I add in a few extra drops of the lavender oil. Y'all, it sounds a little crazy, but it works. My hair has been growing, and I oil my hair with this every other day. So let's say like every 2 or 3 days, I will go ahead and oil my scalp with this oil. And if anybody is interested in what the 2 oils look like that I use, I'm gonna show you. This is the lavender castor oil that I use. It only has 2 ingredients, lavender and castor oil. This is the lavender oil that I use, so it's just 1 ingredient, which is lavender oil. If anybody is interested in seeing me create this lavender oil blend, I do have a video uploaded on that as well, so make sure y'all go check it out, and I'll show y'all exact measurements, the oils, and etc. All right, so what I am gonna do is slick my hair up into 1 ponytail, so y'all gonna stick around for that, and let's get into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by putting a few drops of the everyday oil in my hair. Another thing that I like to do is taking some of the oil and putting it directly in my hands and then rubbing it all throughout my hair. Alright, so now that I got the oil in my hair, I am just going to brush it up and get my ponytail going. Alright, so this is where I want my pony to sit. so I'm just gonna go ahead and band it with the first band. All right, so this is not the final look. It's almost done, but I usually use one hair tie to hold it in place. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, brush it up, and then do the actual pony. Another great thing about this retwisting gel is like really good for edges, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like throughout the day my edges do not be staying, but majority of the time they do. So I am going to take a little bit more of the product and I'm just going to put it in between my hands, rub it, and then rub it against my hair and brush everything up into the pony. Y'all see how slick that is? Like, it's doing its job. It's doing its job. Now I'm just going to loosen this first hair tie up and then just slick everything with the second. Alright, so now that I got everything pulled up into the actual ponytail, I'm just going to take the one that I loosened off. I am just going to add just like cute hair accessory to my pony. So once I get my hair to this point, I use my silk scarf, I fold it up, and I pretty much just put it on my head. Not like this is like very messy, but I put it on my head like this, and then I tie it, and I let it sit on there for like a good 5 or 10 minutes, and then I take it off and my pony be flat, y'all. Flat pony key. Other than that, this is how everything looks.
A few moments later.
Alright y'all, so real quick, I did go ahead and try a different style, which is like half up, half down, and I'm feeling this style a little more than a pony. Let me turn around. I am feeling it just a little bit more than a pony. I feel like it's really cute. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.